just to anywhere, just to be elsewhere.
Hey loves, welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I will be showing you my after dark cleaning routine. These are things that I clean every single night before going to bed. So if you are ready for some motivation, go ahead and leave this video a like, subscribe if you have not already. Make sure your notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Go ahead and leave me a comment and let me know you're here and watching. Now let's get to cleaning. And I'm just starting out in our bathroom. I'm going to tidy it up and then we're going to move on. I wanted to remove the shower curtain and the liner and get them in the washer because they were pretty dirty. These are both fabric and I absolutely love that. I will never go back to a plastic shower curtain liner because I love being able to toss these in the washer and go.
I've been on a million journeys trying to find me alone, to belong, and we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're my string, and you made me see there's nothing to lose. I'm a wave in your sea, and you made me dive into the unknown.
So for the shower and tub, I'm just using this Mrs. Meyer's bathroom cleaner in the lavender scent. I absolutely love it. It's going to be a staple. It's going to be another product I'm going to be hoarding, okay, but I'll actually be using it because I really do like it.
Made me dive into the unknown. Nothing to lose. Oh, we got nothing to lose. Oh, we got nothing to lose. And we've got nothing to lose. I'm a kite, you're a string, and
I know that a lot of people don't like cleaning their bathrooms, but I don't mind it. This is a room that we use every single day, multiple times a day. It really needs to be cleaned more frequently than most rooms in your home. So I clean my bathroom every single day.
unknown. I never thought you would take over my mind, 'cause I've been lost, but I'm giving you all of my time. Isn't that good enough? Changing my patterns a lot. Yeah, I never thought I'd be sitting here wrapped in your arms. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared. No, I made it hard for you, but I can't. Now I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes
Moving on to the laundry room, I like to wipe down the dryer with these Clorox wipes or just any wipes I can find at the time because, as I said previously, my lint filter is right on top and it does get really dusty really quickly, so I wipe it down every single day. And also, you guys, I did a whole scene of folding towels, but it was not recording. I hate when that happens, but you will not be getting that folding motivation today. I'm sorry.
hide your face, but you're so pretty. So let go of the things you hear. I'm not going anywhere without you. So put a little faith in me, though you're scared.
So really quickly, I'm just tossing in the shower curtain and the liner to wash before I move on and clean up the kitchen.
I wanna make you part of my plans. Put a little faith in me, though you're scared. Sometimes I feel like we
me, the kitchen area is one of those rooms that I will clean every day without fail before I can go to bed. And if you're one of those people who, if you're tired and don't get around to it, you just don't get around to it, that is okay too. We all have to do what works for us. But as for me and my house, I cannot go to bed until the kitchen is clean, spotless, no crumbs, no dishes, nothing. Like, I need to wake up in the morning to a clean kitchen. I think that it just helps me start my day better. I feel better. I don't have any cleaning to do in the mornings ever because I always clean up at night.
Last night I felt the storm coming fast, it broke the wall, scattered glass across the floor. I know this is the final war. There's no use trying to pretend, there's no way to comprehend, no way back, no way to mend. This means we have to end. Take your brokenness and go, you're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes, been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go, baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Mean words and your evil ways can make the strongest person break. You made me feel less than small, you tore me like a wrecking ball. You hit like a nerve.
Before I really start cleaning in the kitchen, I like to go ahead and put away dinner, clean the countertops, get rid of everything that does not belong in the kitchen, put it in its correct place, and then I'll wipe down the counters, wipe down the stove. And my stove was not messy at all this day. I actually did not cook using the stove, but when I tell you guys this is how I keep my drip pans clean, I mean just daily wiping them down. You don't have to do anything crazy. Just every single day I make sure to take a microfiber cloth and a multi-purpose cleaner and wipe them out so that they stay clean.
Now I'm turning toward the light. You can patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go, baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go.
If you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Sean, and over here on my channel I post all types of cleaning motivation every Sunday and Wednesday. So if that is your thing, please consider subscribing. If you have watched this far into the video and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting on? I would love to have you join my YouTube family here. You can go ahead and leave me a comment introducing yourself. If you are too shy to do that, you could just leave me your favorite emoji and I will come over and say hi.
Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go, baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Ooh, ooh. Take your brokenness and go. Just walk away. You're not welcome anymore. You're not welcome anymore. Hey, I think that you're in over your head.
At this point in my cleaning, my husband had just put the kids in bed and he came in the kitchen and started helping me load the dishwasher because you already know this is not my favorite task. I will do it if I have to, and normally during the day for breakfast and lunch I clean the entire kitchen. I load and unload the dishwasher. I do everything. But normally at night, my husband cleans the entire kitchen. He does not just load the dishwasher, you guys. He cleans everything in the kitchen and tells me to relax, so I really enjoy that.
Chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you. You don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama. Forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, you. Always about you, you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you. But now you're so rude, 'cause you love drama. So easy, but now I can't even get through to your mind, 'cause you don't wanna listen.
Sink cleaning is always one of the most satisfying parts of watching these types of videos. Let me know if this does it for you. Is it the sink cleaning, the vacuum lines? What do you enjoy most about cleaning videos?
Always had a bad time every time you flash your name. Always leaving, then you got me chasing you like I'm the one to blame. Oh, I think you're so rude. Don't wanna fight you, but you don't ever take a break, 'cause you love drama. Forget the karma. No, you don't ever take a break. It's always about you, you. Always about you, you. Oh, I don't wanna fight you, and how you're so rude, 'cause you love drama. You love drama. You love drama.
Alright loves, as we are nearing the end of the video, I did want to point out that the living room is one of those rooms that I must clean every night before going to bed, but I did not clean it in this video, and the reason being is because I am making some changes and I'm not quite ready to reveal them to you guys yet, but stay tuned for my next video so you'll see what I've been working on in the living room. I really do hope you've enjoyed this video and that it gave you some type of motivation to take with you and tackle some things around your home today. Don't forget to leave this video a like if you've enjoyed. Subscribe if you have not already. Make sure that notification bell is on so you'll know every single time I upload. Leave me a comment. You know I love talking to you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.